Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Victorinox Trailmaster, or sometimes known as the Trekker. And it's T-R-E-K-K-E-R. Anyway, I'll include a link in the description if you want to check this out. And this is one of the larger 111mm Victorinox knives. And this is interesting. I didn't think this was going to be one of the ones with the That's kind of interesting. This is not the knife I expected it to be. Okay. Through the magic of video, I took a short break to figure out what on earth was going on. Cause, well, I mean, like, I thought the tool set for this was the Soldier, the 111mm Soldier. And to answer the question, yes, it's the tool set of the Soldier. Apparently, the one-hand Trekker, which is what this one is, or the one-handed Trailmaster, is pretty much identical to the Soldier, to the 111mm Soldier. So that's interesting. I'm not exactly sure why they have. I mean, I guess this is a predecessor to the Soldier, but it kind of, I don't know, because I mean, like, the Trekker's still available as far as I can tell. So I don't know. Well, let me go through and show you what the tools are, and just be aware that this is pretty much identical to the Soldier, and I don't quite get why. So it has a liner lock, and it has a half serrated blade, and supposedly it's supposed to be one-hand opening. I can tell you that I tried it with the Soldier a bit, and it's kind of one-hand opening. It's not really my choice for one-hand opening, though. It doesn't, at least for me, like, for example, this is a Benchmade bug out, and this is very much one-hand opening. So, yeah, anyway, I don't know. Alright, in addition to that, we've got a wood saw, and this is the extra long wood saw, and it's got a little bit of a curve to it right there. So if you're in the mood to savage, you know, a twig about that big around, you could probably do some damage. Let's see what else. We got the usual can opener and small flathead screwdriver. Now, just like the Soldier, this thing has the giant extra large bottle opener slash large screwdriver slash kind of pry bar, and just like the Soldier, this is extra thick, and it also locks with the liner lock. So the blade locks, and this particular little pry bar thing locks. And again, with the liner lock, you just stick it in and you just push it in and it goes back down. You have a Phillips head screwdriver instead of the usual corkscrew, which I actually like the Phillips head on this instead of the corkscrew. And you get the, and get it out. And we get it out, yeah. You have the usual awl, although it doesn't have a little hole in it. And you've got tweezers and a toothpick. So, I mean, it's not a bad knife. It's kind of, sort of identical to the Soldier, which is, I guess, interesting. The only thing I can figure is this is supposed to be the predecessor to it, but again, these are available pretty commonly as well. I don't know. If any of y'all have any idea what's going on and why this is identical to the Soldier and they're both still pretty much available, let me know in the comments. I mean, the only thing I can think is that this is just an older version and there's still plenty of these floating around and they've been replaced with the Soldier. Anyway, let me know what you think. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.